Hi guys, so today we're at Norbulingka, which is a Tibetan Institute of Art and Literature, and there's lots to see and lots to learn, so follow me. Hi, Sherry.
Welcome to Norbulingka. I'm Tenzin Tashi.
Thank
and I'm
you.
going to show you the place.
Should we get started?
Yeah, sure.
So can you tell us a little bit about the institute, when it was started, the reason behind it?
Sure. This is an Tibetan Art Institute. The main objective of this institute is to preserve Tibetan arts.
Right.
So it's very important to educate or groom the younger generation. It's about awareness about their culture, art.
So what are the different kinds of art forms that you can learn here?
We have wood carving, carpentry,
Okay.
wood painting, painting, thangka applique, weaving, metal sculpture, tailoring applique, and even tailoring.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what are we going to see first?
First of all, we are going to see the wood carving.
Okay.
Tibetan being a religious people, so we usually have a big altar in the house.
Right.
That's my shrine.
Yeah.
This is like a bottom altar.
Oh, so it opens up. Oh wow.
Small statue put inside. You carry it wherever you go.
And how long would they take to make something like this?
3 days.
3 days, that's it? Wow. So we're going to see the thangka paintings next, which is what I've been dying to see.
This is thangka painting studio. Thangka is religious art.
Right.
The term thangka, thang means like a plain flat surface, and the suffix ka means sketching or painting.
Right.
The painting which is done on a plain flat surface is called thangka. We're going to see the thangka applique. This is thangka applique. One is painting,
Right.
and the other one is applique.
Up next we have the metal sculpture studio. They're heating the metal here. You can see them heating the stuff here in the pans and doing some kind of welding there.
We're going to see the wood painting.
Okay.
Very unique kind of painting. It's kind of give a 3D look.
Right. So it's definitely one of the most beautiful, schools I've been to. The architecture, there's just so much thought that's gone into everything, which is quite incredible. That there is a story behind everything and an explanation behind everything. It's not just a building, or each class has a separate meaning behind it, which I really kind of enjoy. So I would definitely say spend a lot of time here, walk around and take it all in. Up next we have the main temple.
Thangka applique.
Wow. So this is a thangka applique that we kind of saw right now. This is a massive one. So this is a throne that they've made for His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and whenever he comes here to give any teachings, this is where he sits. Now we're heading to the Doll Museum.
We have 108 and exhibit dolls depicting Tibetan social culture, traditional attire.
It's a really interesting way to see the life in Tibet before people came here. You have different provinces, the different clothes, and this actually gives you an insight into what their life is like there. Now it's time to go check out the shop and actually buy some of this cool stuff. So everything you buy here has been actually made here. Wow. Wow, they have a massive shop. So you have lots of beautiful things to choose from. You've got clothing items, household items, paintings, decorative items, jewelry. I don't know where to start. Thank you so much. This has been really, really lovely.
It was a pleasure actually.
Thank you. When you come to Dharamshala, you cannot miss this. Whether you're an art lover or not, this is a definite must-do. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.